Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Crunchyroll on Xbox console step by step clearly. To activate Crunchyroll on your Xbox console, start by turning on your Xbox. Ensure that your Xbox is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Microsoft Store from the home screen. In the Microsoft Store, select the search icon. Type Crunchyroll into the search bar. From the search results, select the Crunchyroll app. Click on the Install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, launch the Crunchyroll app from your Games and Apps menu. On the welcome screen, you will see an option to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your email address and password to sign in. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you will receive an activation code on your screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the website provided in the app, which is usually crunchyroll.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your Xbox screen. Click Activate to complete the process. Return to your Xbox, and you should see a confirmation message. You are now ready to enjoy Crunchyroll on your Xbox console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.